Welcome, upper elementary learners, to our last and final lesson from our bully prevention unit. In our last lesson about bullying, we talked about how bystanders can choose to either be part of the bullying problem or do the right thing and help stop the bullying. Bystanders become part of the bullying problem by doing nothing, watching, laughing, encouraging, and even joining in. The right things for bystanders to do when they see or know about bullying is to be supportive and report or help report the bullying, to stand up for the person being bullied, and to be respectful and kind, and include everyone. Today, we are going to talk about using electronic technology respectfully. What kinds of things do you think are meant by electronic technology? Things like a computer, a tablet, and cell phones, communication tools such as social media sites, text messages, chats, email, online games, and even websites. These devices and tools can be really fun and useful when they're used respectfully. They help with schoolwork, research, learning, getting information, and connecting and staying in touch with friends and family. They even are a form of entertainment. Unfortunately, these tools can also be used to hurt or cyberbully other people. Cyberbullying is bullying with electronic technology. You can recognize cyberbullying in the same way that you can recognize any other form of bullying. Cyberbullying is also mean or hurtful behavior that keeps happening and is unfair and one-sided. But cyberbullying happens online using electronic technology. Before we talk more about cyberbullying, let's find out how much you already know about cyberbullying and take a short quiz. After I read each question on the screen, we will talk about the answer. Question 1. Which of the following is cyberbullying? All of these are considered cyberbullying. Sending mean chat, text, or email messages, creating mean websites or web pages, and posting embarrassing or mean messages or comments about someone online. Each is an example of mean behavior that can be repeated quickly by forwarding, sharing, or distributing it, or by its being accessible to many people. Number 2. Cyberbullying is not as harmful as other types of bullying because you can't see the person who is doing it. The answer is false. Cyberbullying can be just as harmful as other types of bullying, and in some cases it can even be more harmful because the hurtful material can be spread to more people. Because many students have access to the technology used to cyberbully at home, there is often no way to get away from the cyberbullying. Question 3. How is cyberbullying different from other kinds of bullying? D. All of these are true about cyberbullying. The person bullying can be anonymous, at least at first. It can happen any time of the day or night, and a mean post can go to lots of people fast. It's also important that you know nothing you do online is private. Everything that happens online can be tracked. Cyberbullying often happens outside of school, but the moment you walk onto school property and start talking about mean behavior that's happening online to a student, it's considered bullying at school. Question 4. Bystanders to cyberbullying can do nothing to stop it because it's online. Once it's online, there's nothing you can do about it. The answer is false. Bystanders can do a lot to stop cyberbullying. Just like with other forms of bullying, bystanders can be part of cyberbullying by doing nothing, spreading mean messages or other materials, or even joining in. But bystanders also have a lot of power to help stop cyberbullying. And today, We'll talk about that power. As you watch the first part of this video, pay close attention to the bystanders. Are they part of the bullying problem, or are they helping to stop it?
Hello?
Hey Riley, did you get the page I sent you?
Wow, this is awful. What did Simone do to deserve this?
I don't know. Someone's got it out for her. Maybe it's because she's so awesome at karate.
Right, I'm always hearing about all the tournaments she wins. Oh gosh, you know what?
What?
I know who started this.
Who?
Nikki.
Nikki? Why?
Well, remember how they announced at the assembly that Simone had just won the state karate championship?
Yeah, blew everyone away.
I know. Nikki was totally impressed, and yesterday she invited Simone to her party.
There you are, Simone. Oh, hi, Nikki. I'm having a party this Saturday, and you're invited. What time? 3 o'clock. Oh, sorry, I have karate. Well, she's stuck up.
Uh-oh. You don't say no to Nikki. You can never have something better to do than the party that Nikki's having.
Exactly. She's getting back at her.
Well, it's awful. I'm going to write on it.
Ling, no, you'll just make it worse.
No, I won't. Watch.
What is happening to Simone is cyberbullying. Someone started a web page posting mean things about her. It's unfair and one-sided. Simone didn't do anything but miss Nikki's party. It's done on purpose, and it won't stop. It's bullying using electronic technology. This cyberbullying is hurtful to Simone. The material's being spread all over the school. She feels embarrassed and like she is being treated unfairly. Maybe she can't get away from it at home if she has online access. Everyone at school will know about it. Some people might believe it, share it, or even add mean comments. Simone doesn't know how to make it stop. Lynn and Riley are also bystanders to this cyberbullying of Simone. Lynn did something to refuse the bullying of Simone online. She wrote a positive message about Simone. She told others to stop. Now, let's see if the cyberbullying continues.
Did you see that page about Simone? Simone is so stuck up. Oh, she actually got up and tweeted.
I mean, she didn't even come to my party. I know, and she's not that good at karate either. Oh my gosh, Hey, Nikki? Did you put up that mean site about me? Who, me? What? I don't know what you mean. Fine. Just forget it. Totally believed it. Come on. I can't believe Nikki just denied it to Simone's face. I know she did it.
But what's there to do? Now these lies about Simone are going to keep going on and on. This just isn't right.
Let's talk to Mr. Mendoza after class. Maybe he can help. Mr. Mendoza, we need your help with something.
Sure, what is it?
Check out this website. I don't know what to do about this. I like Simone and she hasn't done anything wrong. I'm sure I know who started this, but she denies it. So, how do you stop this?
First of all, thank you both for reporting this. This is bullying. Remember we talked about how bullying can happen face-to-face or over the internet?
Yeah, it's totally cowardly too, because anyone can say mean things and hide out behind the internet.
Exactly. In our school, all bullying must be reported to our principal, whether it's online or in person. Then she will need to do an investigation to get to the bottom of this. In the meantime, I'll check in with Simone and make sure she's okay. And then we're going to have a class discussion on how bystanders can help stop this kind of thing from happening.
Bystanders?
Yes, like you. People who see or know about the bullying. They can either join in and be part of the problem, or they can say or do something to help. I'm proud of both of you. You did the right thing.
Bystanders who made the original post or added comments are part of the bullying problem. They're adding mean comments and spreading it to other people. They're doing nothing to stop it. They're not standing up for Simone, and they're making the problem bigger. Lynn and Riley were bystanders who did the right thing. Lynn wrote a positive message about Simone. When the cyberbullying continued, Lynn and Riley reported it. It's important to report all bullying, including cyberbullying, to a caring adult. An adult can help get the mean online messages taken down, like Mr. Mendoza is going to do for Simone. Mr. Mendoza is also going to check in with Simone to make sure she feels safe, and his class is going to have a discussion about ways bystanders can help stop cyberbullying. The more of you who are willing to do the right thing when you see any kind of bullying happening, the easier it will be for other bystanders to do the right thing too. Now you're going to do an activity where you're going to practice being a bystander to cyberbullying, who does the right thing. Read the electronic message on the screen. Then think of something supportive you can write back in a message to help stop this cyberbullying from continuing. Next, write under your message the name of an adult you can report the cyberbullying to. Remember, it's important to always report cyberbullying to a caring adult. You want to do the right thing. What can you write back? Scenario 2. You want to do the right thing. What can you write back? Scenario 3. You want to do the right thing. What can you write back? Today, we talked about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can be even more harmful than other kinds of bullying, but some things make cyberbullying different. It uses electronic technology. One mean thing can easily be spread to many. It's not face-to-face. The person bullying can be anonymous, at least at first, and it can last longer if the mean messages aren't deleted. Then, we talked about how bystanders can do things to help stop cyberbullying. Bystanders can report it to a caring adult and take screenshots of the cyberbullying to show them. They can use the reporting feature if the site has one, or write nice things about or to the person who's being cyberbullied. Don't pass it on, don't forward it, and don't link to it. Remember, in our class and school, we are safe and respectful. Bullying of any kind is not acceptable. And when we find out about bullying, we can do the right thing and help stop it.